When I'm hiring someone to work on my house, are they covered by my homeowner's policy, or do I have to check their own insurance, or how do I handle that?
You know what? That is a great question. I'm glad you asked it. And I'll tell you this. Your homeowner's insurance policy will not cover the damages that a paid repair person does to your home, injuries that you personally incur from him, and you're likely to get sued by him when he falls off the ladder and gets hurt. So to answer your question, you absolutely need to inquire about his insurance and be provided proof of that coverage, and then perhaps have to call your local Focus insurance agent to find out if the coverage that he has is the correct coverage he needs before he starts working on your house.
Well, I have another question then. I had a painter come out to the house, and just out of curiosity, because he looked a little sketchy, I asked if he was insured, and he said yes.
He said his car's insured.
No, he said he was insured, and I said, well, can I see your insurance? Now, he was here to give me an estimate on my exterior painting, but his insurance paperwork said it covered interior painting. So if he fell off the ladder outside, I could be sued. Is that correct?
Well, let me first say this. You can always be sued, whether you're right or wrong or have nothing to do with it, which is why you always need to buy insurance for that particular scenario. People always say, well, you know, what if he's supposed to have insurance, they're supposed to have insurance. At the end of the day, if you have insurance, you're protected, no matter what else anybody else does. But let me answer your first question. It's a lot cheaper to buy a general liability policy for an indoor painter than for an outside painter. The difference is that the outside painter is on a ladder out in the elements. He can fall off a 2-story ladder. When you're inside the house, you know, paint the wall, you know, you're not going to fall off. So chances are that particular painter bought the wrong policy, probably didn't have a Focus agent, and you have every reason to not accept that proof of insurance because it's not going to cover. And that's why you probably need a Focus insurance agent, so that you could call him or her and ask, and we'll tell you. That's how you need to be protected. So, good question.
I guess that's the difference in going on the internet. I can't really ask the screen so many questions, can I?
No, you can't, and the screen probably wouldn't know the answer anyhow.
Well, another question. If I purchase an umbrella policy, would that be appropriate
No.
to cover those kind of situations at my home?
No, because an umbrella policy provides coverage for you on top of your existing liability policies. Has nothing to do with what someone else becomes liable for due to their accident or mishap. An umbrella policy is for you, not for him.
I see.
So that is really why a professional painter, unfortunately, charges more than your basic good amateur and paintbrush guy, because the real painter has insurance, the other guy doesn't. And whereby you might be able to have your back bedroom painted cheaper by this other guy, if you want to be completely safe and insured, you need to have a credible you need to hire a credible painter and request proof that he is properly insured.
Well, thanks a lot for that. I needed that information.
Well, you're welcome.
I was in